We are back to continue learning about word processing. Today, we engage in a brief theory connecting with practical discussion on exploring the Microsoft Word program window, building on our last class on Introduction to Word Processing. We will understand how to efficiently utilize Word's interface, tools, and views for enhanced document creation, editing, and formatting capabilities. Microsoft Word application window is the environment you see when you launch the Microsoft Word software. The entire workspace is covered by a graphical user interface. This entire interface is what we refer to as the Microsoft Word application window. It consists of a number of parts that enables you to create and manage documents. Getting familiar with these components will enhance your efficiency and productivity. So the components of the Microsoft Word application window includes the title bar, the ribbon interface, the quick access toolbar, file tab and backspace view, documents area, scroll bar, zoom control, status bar. The title bar appears at the top of the application window. It displays the name of the document you're currently working on and application as well that you're working on. Then that's the program that you're working in. Then it also comprises of some commands buttons such as the minimize, maximize and restore, and close button. Ribbon interface located below the title bar. This interface is divided into tabs. That's where we have the home tab, insert, page layout, reference. All these ones are on the ribbon interface. The quick access toolbar is a customized bar that can be moved either to the top of the ribbon or below the ribbon. File tab and backspace view is located in the top left corner. It displays the backspace view, which comprises of options such like saving, printing, sharing, open, save as, and lots more. In the document area, this is where you create, you edit, and you format your documents. You'll notice in the document area, that's the workspace, a little vertical line blinking. That is the crucial. That is your insertion point, where you start typing. The scroll bar is into two, the vertical and the horizontal. These are used mostly to navigate either up or down, right or left in your documents. The zoom control is located in the right corner of the window. It is used to adjust the level of comfortability of viewing. The status bar. It is located at the bottom of the window. It displays information about the document such as page number, word count, language, etc. With this, let's go into the practicals for brighter understanding. So this is the Microsoft Office Words environment that we've been talking about. This is the title bar where you this is the title bar where you see the title of your document, and this is for the program. So when you click on the minimize button here, it will hide it from the screen. You can only find it in your text bar. So I'll go back to my text bar and I click. I'm working with document 4. So this is it here. And this is for maximize and restore. This I've restored the window back, and if I click on it, it will maximize. Okay? And this is the close button. Thus, after working in the environment, you want to close it, you click on the close button here. So talking about the quick access toolbar, the quick access toolbar is here, in which we said we have some frequently used commands, the commands such as save, undo, redo. So we have them here. You can also customize it yourself. You can add other commands to it. So we talk about the file. This is the file tab on backspace view, where you can find save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save, and send. Then we also have help, option, and exit. You can exit from here, or you exit from the top, the one I mentioned earlier. So when we are talking about the ribbon interface, we said we have the home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. There are some that you might not see here. For example, when I click on insert and let me add an image. Let me add this image. You see, it was view. View was the last tab here. So immediately I click on the image, I will have another tab that will generate automatically, which is called the format tab, where I can edit
or format this picture directly from here, such as maybe removing a background that I can just do from here. You see? Okay, so we still have like working with tables. You can just still go under your inserts and you select tables. So you see, we have additional tabs here. We don't have format tab here, but we have design and page layout. So on this, you can also work on your tables with the design and page layout. So we have a lot of tabs, and all these tabs have some commands under them, okay, to also effect some changes to our document. Then we have the zoom slider is just here at the bottom here, bottom right. So you can adjust the zooming level here for your comfort viewing. So the status bar is here, where you can find your word count, page number, and the language you're presently using. Then we also have our scroll bar. The scroll bar, we said we have two scroll bars. We have horizontal and then we have vertical. But if you can take here, from here, if you can see, we then have the horizontal here. So, but if we zoom the work closer, much closer, zoom in the work, well, we have the scroll bar here, the horizontal scroll bar, and we have the vertical scroll bar here. Okay, so in case you have a write-up like this on the screen, let me add the font size. So you see some are hidden because we'll zoom the environment very closely. So we have to use the scroll bar to navigate upwards and downward. And if we still zoom it much closer, you understand that some of the contents, some of the details will be hidden. So that's where we'll use our horizontal scroll bar also to scroll from left to right and right to left. Then about the document area, I said you'll discover there's a vertical line, something blinking on your screen. So that is called the cursor. That is the insertion point where you can start typing. Okay, so if you press enter, you see the insertion point is here. When you start typing, it will start from here. So when you take it up, it will still start from here. So when we have the insertion points here, you can type anything you want to type. So we can write something like, when next are we going to see grandma? When next we're going to see so you just have to get familiar with some of these tools, because navigating through this application effectively will empower you to create mind-blowing documents. So in our next class, we're going to discuss on how to start a new document, how to work with the ribbon and tabs, how to save our documents, and how to exit the application windows. Thanks for watching.